Welcome back to the yard, guys. Welcome back to the yard, baby. We're still working on the dash, the metal portion. You gotta pull that air box out of there and that heat foam or heat shield or noise cancellation shield, whatever it is. We gotta get this out of here, then remove that. Then we're gonna clean up in here. I was going to pressure wash this thing, but I don't want to mess up my wires. I don't want to get white water all in my wires, you know. Then it gets soaked, and I gotta sit here and wait weeks, if not months, for it to dry out. So I'm thinking about not doing that. I really wanted to, because I wanted to get up there, see how black it is up there. But I guess I just gotta spray that with some cleaning stuff to get that off. I don't know, but I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, because I might not pressure wash it. That might be the wrong thing to do. Then if I do pressure wash it, I gotta remove a lot of this wire and get it out the way so it won't get wet. Like the middle portion, like this, I will have to move that, lift it up on something, and of course the airbags are gonna have to come out. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Why? You gonna be working like this place again? I don't want to work like that. Yeah. Alright. Had to talk to my son for a minute. He actually wanted to throw away some good work boots. He actually wanted to throw these things in the trash. I told him that's insane. You don't throw away a good pair of work boots. You're gonna keep those. I can't fit them, but maybe his younger brother can fit them soon. Okay, let's get started. We gotta get this thing out of here. I don't know if we're gonna get it out of here on this video, but we're gonna try. If this thing down here pops up, if it pops up, then we probably can do it. If it don't, then we might not be able to. Because this right here, my friends, is going to be the issue now. Alright, see it? Feel it? This is going to be the issue, because it'll pull out. It looks like it will pull out, but the problem is going to be a problem. Let's see. Let's see. Look like it can pull out, but I don't know. I don't know. It will pull out. No. I think it will. I think it will pull out, but I don't know. Okay? I don't know. Let's see. Keep your eyes peeled. Something seems to be holding. disconnected. Huh. Okay. Okay. I think I see the problem. This thing right here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we snagged on here. Nothing over here. You guys see what we snagged on? I don't see it. Not snagged on anything over here. That's pretty much loose. Okay, let's see. We're not tied to anything under the hood. We're not tied to anything under the hood. Down here, we are disconnected. Right? Okay. Okay, yes. So let's see. Over here. Anything over here. Oh, see it. This can't be it, right? Can y'all see that? Let me turn the second camera, the front camera on. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all should be able to see that. Yeah, y'all can see that. Is this thing holding it? Let's see. That it? Yeah. It was that, guys. That what was holding it. Okay. I don't want to pop, cut, or break any of the wires that we got on this side. Okay. Something is snagged, but I'm gonna pull. There's nothing to snag. I need to pull back that way. Let's pull back this way a little bit. Come on now, what are we hooked on? We are hooked on something. Piece of wire. Let's see how much time we got, guys. Oh Lord, let's see. Where's my glasses? How much time we have was because okay, we good. Okay. I think we're tied up somewhere. I see it. Oh, I see. We gotta come straight back. We gotta come straight back. We gotta like come back on that end, come back on this end, come back on that end. Okay, try to do this. I'm sorry, we want to block the camera a little bit, guys. But I think this is how we do this. Really hold in like on a plug on that side. It's just not a plug, it's a long plug. So maybe we are hooked up with some wire, because that plug don't seem like it's holding, it wouldn't be holding it like that. Okay, let's look over here good, because there could be something over here holding it. Something burning out here. Now to make sure there's nothing over here. Okay. Okay, it's something. This don't seem like it's holding. That ain't it, man. That ain't holding like that. It ain't holding like that. See, it's something else. Something else holding like that. Something holding it. What is it? What is it? Ah, I see it. That freaking steering wheel done got hooked back on. This thing. It just fucking got hooked back on. Alright, guys. Now, there you have it. Alright, we got it. Now we just need to pull it on out. Make sure we don't rip any wires. And let's pull it out of here. Alright, we'll sit this thing right here. I'm gonna sit this thing right here, so we can pull it out. Pretty heavy. Gonna be pretty heavy, guys. Move my toolbox. Let's see. I gotta see what time we got, guys. I think I'm gonna end this. We're gonna have to come back and pull it out, because I'm gonna have to try to prep myself for this, man. This thing gonna be heavy, man. This thing gonna be heavy, man. It's gonna be real heavy, man. Gonna be real heavy, man. I gotta prep myself, man. I gotta prep myself, man. Yeah, we gotta take this whole thing right here up out of here. It's not really in that bad of condition. Then again it is. Look over there. That's burnt pretty good. Yeah, that gotta go. It gotta go. It gotta go. No other choice. It gotta go. It's gotta go. We got another one. We got another one, so that ain't no problem. That ain't no problem at all. We have another one. We have another one. So we're gonna try to keep all this stuff on here. Well, yeah, we're gonna try to keep all this stuff on here. We're just gonna change the wire harness. Just change the wire harness and put it back in after we remove this and put the new one back in. And then we can put everything back in again. Then I don't know. We got a lot to do before we do that. So not a super lot, but we got a lot to do before we do that. Yes, we do. Trying to get a pretty good picture of that. See, might have to go on the other side here. Can't see that. Maybe it's because I ain't got my glasses on. Trying to get plenty of pictures so I can get a good thumbnail. So one of these pictures can be the thumbnail. I don't know. We'll see. One of them can be the thumbnail. Alright guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one when we're again back in the yard. Yard 2, not 1.